Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2015 Kia Sorento SX Limited. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, roof rails, chrome trim, deep tinted glass, and much more. 18-inch chrome finish alloy wheels, performance tires, fully automatic projector beam daytime running headlamps with delay off, fog lights, and a strong 6-cylinder with only 64,929 miles. The power liftgate, the tow hitch, the rear wiper, LED brake lights, parking sensors, a spacious cargo area with a third-row seat, and a comfortable heated back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the power dual sunroof, the front row power heated and cooled leather seats with driver memory, cruise, dual zone auto climate, a push-button start, a locking glove box, a garage door opener, a heated leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth, and voice activation, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.